let's check together, guys, because I like it. So I like to share my happiness with you. So here, guys, I don't know what does in here. From Chanel. Okay, see that? Never been unboxed. Let's open together. I don't want to rip it. Of course, I have to rip it. You can see it, right? Okay, I'll then back up. So here, what's inside? Oh, okay, wow. Nice packaging, guys. Another box. This is a free stuff. Okay, Allure. I think this is a serum because it's like sticky. And then there's a perfume. And let's check what's inside. I'm excited. This is a Christmas design.
Christmas?
Yeah. You haven't opened. Wow, it's so gold. This is perfect for my 50 years of birthday, I suppose. So what's inside? Oh, this is it. I like it. So fluffy. Ooh, look at that. I can put a handle on it. Make it a purse because I don't have. And what's inside here? 2 and 3. Okay. Let's look inside. Oh, I'm very excited. I think this is a mascara. And this one is the waterproof stylo. I don't know what it is. Long lasting eyeliner. Oh, eyeliner. It's line of short. Okay, what's this? Oh, I think this is with a pouch. This is something special. Oh, so shiny still. Never touch. No marks. Okay, let's open. Why I'm gonna put it back. I don't know how to open now. Where's the front? Oh, I'm scared. Okay, this is another mirror. I like it. Ooh, this is like